Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 1. Find the sum in each of the following. We will solve question number A. Question number A is 0. We will add their numbers, that is 0.007, 0, 0, 7. Next number is 8.5, 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. We can write 00 also, right? Next number is 30.08. 30, it is 0.08. 0, 8, you can write 0 also here, right? Now if you add the numbers, what you are getting, you see, this is 7, this is 8, this is 5.83. This is the answer of question number A, right? 38.587. This is the answer. Now question number B. Question number B is, if we add the numbers, that is 15, we can write 15.000, right? Next one is 0.632, that is 0.632, and one is 13.8, 13.8. You can write 00 also, right? And if you add the numbers, what you are getting, you see, that is 2, that is 3, 8, 6, 14, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 plus 1, 2. That is 29.432 is the answer of question number B. This is the answer of question number B. Now we will solve question number C. Question number C is, let's see. Now question number C, we will add. Question number C is 27.27, 27, 27.076, 76, 0.55, 0.55. You can write it as 0, 0.004, 0.004. If you add the numbers, what you are getting, you see, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, it is 0, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1, here it is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6.72, that is 27.630. This is the answer, right? Now question number D. This is question number C. I will add question number D. Question number D is 25.65, 25.65, 9.005. This is 9.005. You can write as 0 here, and 3.7, 3.7. After point, you can put 0 also and add the numbers. That is 5. It is 5. 6 plus 7, 13, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 3 18, carry 1, here it is 8, 2 plus 1 3, that is 38.355. This is the answer of question number D. Next we will solve question number E and F. Next one is question number E. Next one is question number E. Then question number E is, here you see, question number E. 0.75, 0.75, 10.425, 10.425, 4, 2, 5 and 2, that is 2.000 you can write, and here also you can write 0. Now if you add the numbers, what you are getting, it is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 11, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 1, that is 13.175, right? What is the rule to add in decimal? The rule is that you have to put all the numbers in their correct place value. Suppose first one is 0.75, 0 is in ones place, and it is 7 in 10th and 5 in 100th and 0 in 1000th place, right? The same way 10.425, 10, that means 0 is ones place, 1 is in 10th place, 4 is in 10th place, 2 is in 100th place and 5 in 1000th place, right? After that you can add only, right? This is question number E. Next one is question number F. Question number F. 280.69, 280.69, right? 25.2, that is 25.2, you can write 0 also, and 38.00. Now if you add the numbers, what you are getting, you see, this is 9, this one is 9, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, carry 1, here it is 3, 8 plus 2 10, plus 3 13, plus 1 14, carry 1, here it is 4, 2 plus 1 3, that is 343.89. This is the answer of question number F. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.